Here are 5 ways to keep your kidneys healthy. Number 1. Drinking enough water is essential to keep your kidneys functioning properly. It is recommended to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to maintain good kidney health. Number 2. A healthy diet is crucial to maintain good kidney health. Foods that are high in sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats can put extra strain on your kidneys. Instead, focus on a diet that is high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Number 3. Regular exercise helps improve kidney function by reducing blood pressure, maintaining a healthy weight, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Number 4. Quitting smoking and alcohol consumption can help protect your kidneys' health. Lastly, high blood pressure and diabetes are the leading causes of kidney disease. Monitoring these levels can help detect any potential issues early on, allowing for prompt treatment and better outcomes.